Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Venmo, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you set up direct deposit into your Venmo? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to set up direct deposit into your Venmo account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe you run an online business like I do, and you know that some of your customers like to direct deposit your money, and maybe you want it to go into your Venmo. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process, and most of the process will be handled with your client or with your employer. However, there are some key details that you need to gather from your Venmo account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to go ahead and open up my Venmo account now. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened up my Venmo app. This is the home screen. Now, if you're setting up direct deposit into your Venmo account, the direct deposit form or the direct deposit online form will be handled through your employer or through your client. So you'll want to ask them for that form because Venmo does not provide that. However, in order to complete the form, you do need your banking account number and routing number to your Venmo. Let me show you an example of a direct deposit form. Okay, so here is a general direct deposit form. So as you can see right here, they're going to ask for your information, generally going to be your address, city, state, phone, and your email. That way, if there's any problems with the form, they can get in touch with you. And this important information right here is necessary in order to set up direct deposit into your Venmo. So you will need the name of the bank, which is financial institution, the routing number, account number, and then the account type. If you're going to be doing direct deposit, usually it's going to be your checking. If you're going to be direct depositing into your Venmo account, and then you would put your name here, and then the authorized would be the company. So if it's your client's name is ABC Contracting, you'll put their name there. So again, this is just a general direct deposit authorization form. This is not something you get from Venmo. This will be from your client or from your employer. But in order to get this information filled out, you're going to need to open up your Venmo app. So let me jump back over to my Venmo. Okay, so here we are back on the Venmo app. Now, in order to get that information, what you're going to want to do is click on your profile icon down here on the bottom right. Once you click there, you will be able to see your Venmo balance. You can see mine is just $21.40. If you don't see your balance, make sure that it's clicked on wallet, not on transactions. And in order to get the direct deposit information for your Venmo, click on this blue manage button here on the right. Once you click there, you will see this pop up here at the bottom. And in order to get the direct deposit information for your Venmo, click on add money. It has a plus icon next to it. Okay, there you get 3 more options. And again, you want to click on direct deposit. It looks like a little suitcase. Okay, so here is all the information you will need in order to set up direct deposit directly into your Venmo. So here is the routing number and then the account number. To view the full number, you want to click on this view button. Also, in order to complete your direct deposit form to go directly into your Venmo, you don't want to put Venmo as the bank name. The bank name is actually the Bancorp Bank NA, at least for my particular account. If you happen to have a different bank listed there, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know. So again, that's all the information you're going to need from Venmo. The rest of the information would be filled out on your direct deposit form with your client or on their online form to set up their direct deposit. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to set up direct deposit directly into your Venmo, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. One thing I want to let you know is once you have filed that paperwork with your client or with your employer, it can take between 1 and 3 pay cycles before it starts going direct deposit into your Venmo. Venmo doesn't really have anything to do with that. It's going to have more to do with the company that's going to be sending out your direct deposit. Sometimes they work with thousands or tens of thousands of employees or contractors. So sometimes it takes a little bit of time for them to enter this information into their system. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.